Hi everyone, my name's Claudia Ray. I'm really excited to bring you this training on behalf of ThinkCapital on how to build the right mindset as a Forex trader. So if you've ever wondered what separates profitable traders from the rest, from the 90% of traders that tend to lose, it's mindset. It all comes down to mindset. So today we're going to dive a little bit deeper into trading psychology and really discuss what you can do to help you find consistent profits here at ThinkCapital. While having a back-tested strategy and good risk management rules is extremely important, your psychology is really going to be what makes or breaks a trade. It's so important to have the right mindset in order to handle the ups and downs of day-to-day trading. Whether that's managing your emotions, remaining disciplined, or simply not allowing losses to take you off course. Despite what a lot of people think, trading is just as much of a mental game as it is analysing charts. Ask any successful trader, they'll tell you that without mastering your psychology, having consistent profits over a long period of time is nearly impossible. You need to have the right mindset. Let's start by identifying your emotional triggers. As a trader, emotions like greed, fear, and overconfidence can really cloud your judgment. For example, fear might prevent you from entering a setup that looks really good and aligns with your trading plan, whereas greed can cause you to overtrade or maybe take on too much risk for a single position. Overconfidence, on the other hand, could cause you to completely ignore your risk management practices after a winning trade because you feel good about yourself, you feel confident, you feel like you can really analyze price action and predict the market. So it's really important to be aware of overconfidence and to take breaks after a big win. Start by keeping a trading journal. Document your emotions. Document whenever you've won a trade, when you've lost a trade. Record your trades, the reason behind them, and the emotions you felt before, during, and after that trade. This will really help you to identify patterns in your behavior, which will help you to prevent emotional trading in the future, therefore preventing unnecessary losses. Now let's talk about discipline. Discipline is the bridge between strategy and successful trading. You could have the best trading strategy in the world, but if you don't have discipline, you'll end up deviating from it and making impulsive decisions instead. So make sure that you have some sort of structured trading routine set up. Make sure you have rules on when you're going to trade, so what session, how many trades you're going to place a day, and what is the criteria that you need price action to meet before you consider an entry. But discipline doesn't just apply to sticking to your trading plan, it also applies to knowing when to walk away. In order to be consistently profitable, it's really important to use self-awareness and discipline to identify whenever your emotions are high and just know when to close your laptop and walk away. Just remind yourself that taking no trade is way better than taking an emotional trade that will lead to unnecessary losses. Which takes us into our next part. Let's talk about accepting losses as a part of the process. Every single trader experiences losses, but the key is how you deal with them. It's really important that you remind yourself that a loss does not mean that you're a bad trader. It's just a part of the journey. You really need to internalize that even the best setups can fail. It doesn't mean that your strategy is ineffective. So make sure that you're focusing on the long-term profitability of your trades rather than becoming far too attached to the outcome of a single position. By doing this, you will reduce the emotional impact of each individual position, and you'll also build resilience during setbacks. ThinkCapital traders can find it especially helpful to have some sort of evaluation plan in place that encourages long-term consistency and less attachment to the short-term outcome. Now let's talk about developing a growth mindset. Having a growth mindset is so important if you want to become a profitable trader. This means being open to learning from your losses, not just from your wins. If you genuinely want to grow your trading skill set, then you need to document your mistakes. It's really not comfortable at first, but it's where the growth happens. Whenever you choose to understand your failures rather than ignoring them, it really helps you to level up your strategy. It really helps you to level up your mindset, and you'll massively improve your performance over time. So make sure that you're dedicating time every single week to reviewing your trades, reviewing your thoughts, and really learning from both your successes and your mistakes. The market's constantly evolving, and therefore so should we. Remember that consistent improvement requires a willingness to adapt and grow. Now let's talk about visualizing success and practicing mindfulness. Spend a few minutes every single day visualizing successful trades. If you can imagine yourself following your trading plan and using discipline, this will reinforce positive behavior, which will make it a lot easier for you to actually follow your trading plan whenever you are live trading. Also, try practicing mindfulness through things such as meditation or breath work or yoga. They're really powerful tools for helping you to stay present, reduce anxiety, and maintain focus during your trading session. By practicing mindfulness, you'll find it a lot easier to make higher quality decisions whenever you're under pressure, and will lead to more consistent results. Here at ThinkCapital, ThinkCapital, we also provide a ton of resources to help you with your trading mindset. From community support on our platform to educational content, make sure that you're leveraging all the tools that we're giving you guys to help you with your trading mindset. So if you want more tips and tricks on how to improve your mindset when trading, make sure that you're following us for weekly insights and start your journey to consistent profits today.